Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Wix Studio. First, understand that Wix Studio is designed for agencies and freelancers building client sites, offering a comprehensive platform for advanced web creation. It combines intuitive visual design with robust development capabilities, allowing you to craft stunning, high-performing websites efficiently. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to begin your journey with this powerful platform, ensuring you can leverage its full potential. Accessing Wix Studio is straightforward. Simply navigate to the official Wix Studio website using your preferred web browser. If you already have a Wix account, you can log in directly. Otherwise, create a new account in just a few moments. Once logged in, you will be greeted by the intuitive dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing all your projects and exploring the platform's extensive features. It's designed for ease of use. Wix Studio boasts an array of powerful features designed to streamline your workflow and enhance your creative control. One standout is its responsive AI, which intelligently adjusts your designs for optimal viewing on any screen size, saving you countless hours. You can also collaborate effortlessly with your team, sharing projects and feedback within the platform. Furthermore, custom code capabilities and extensive integrations allow for limitless customization and functionality expansion. To launch your first project, simply click the Create New Site button within your Wix Studio dashboard. You can choose to start from a completely blank canvas for maximum creative freedom or select from a wide range of professionally designed templates to kickstart your work. The intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes adding and customizing elements incredibly simple. Once your site is perfect, publish it with a single click and connect your custom domain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.